Hi everyone! I'm so excited to be back and doing a video, another review on a product that I absolutely love. So I did my hair today. I did the color, as you can see. So these are the results and I love it. I'm very happy with the color. Now this particular brand that I chose, I've been using it for at least 8 months, if not a year. And haven't had any bad experiences with it. It's pretty much true to the color that it shows on the box. Now, I normally use 7N Blonde, which is this color. As you can see, it matches. Yeah, and I love it. It's amazing. I'm not one to do roots and then wait and do the rest of it. I just throw it all on and it always seems to be one color. So I'm very lucky with that. This product you leave on for 40 minutes. That's the only thing. It's a little bit longer than most other brands, but definitely worth it. It's very gentle on my hair. It doesn't make it all like squishy in the bottom ends or rough or anything like that. It's very, very nice product, very gentle. I haven't had any problems with it. It says it's for sensitive skin. And on top of everything else, which I absolutely adore, is it does not test on animals, and it has the little bunny right there. So a product like that is amazing for me because I have never heard of hair color that doesn't test on animals. So that's why when I saw this, I was definitely wanting to try it, and it turned out to be fabulous. The only problem is it doesn't come with a little bottle. So what it does come with is gloves and in the instructions and a little hair conditioner for after, and then the normal color, and I'm guessing the peroxide. So you have to either put it in a little bowl or you have to get yourself a little bottle from the pharmacy or dollar store. But that's not a problem because the product is super amazing. So what I did today was, normally with my hair, being out in the sun and whatnot, I tend to get red undertones. It turns a little bit reddish, which I don't like. So what I did was I bought an ash blonde, so 7C ash blonde, because ash kind of counteracts and takes out the red. So this is what happened, and I'm very pleased with it. So I put it on actually for 30 minutes because I didn't want it, I didn't need it for 40. And I found it took out the red, made it exactly the color that I wanted it to be. So look, it's perfectly the color that I would buy normally from 7N. It's amazing, amazing product, yay. I did buy, there's a shampoo that they also make, so I'm excited to use that for a while and see how I like it, and I'll do a review on that. What else do I want to mention? Oh yes, and if you mix it and you have a little bit left, it says that you're able to keep it for next time. It doesn't go bad. Normally, every other hair dye I've ever bought is like, it goes bad within the next hour. So you have to throw it out. This does not. So that's another bonus on top of it being a great product and cruelty-free. What else was I gonna mention about it? I don't know. It's such a good product. I can't really say anything negative about it. It's really gentle and I love it. So I decided I would do a video on it. I hope you guys like it. If you try it, let me know below in the comments. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear comments and other people that have tried it. Like I said, it's from Italy. It's a little bit more expensive than other regular pharmacy brands. I think I paid $60.99 for this, but I'm telling you, it's definitely worth it, especially since you can keep leftovers that you've already mixed. What else? Oh yes, I bought it at Rachel Berry's. You can't really get this company in normal pharmacies. You can buy it in health food stores or natural stores. They're going to carry this, or probably online too. You can get it. And trust me, they're true to the color. Look at this. It's pretty true to what the box shows. which I'm very happy because there's a lot of brands out there that show you what color it is, and then when you do your hair, it doesn't turn out to be like that. Anyway, so that's my review for this product. It's Herbuetint, and it also covers gray. So that's pretty good too. And in the instructions, it gives you like a detailed like little recipe on what to use, the colors if you do have gray. So it's pretty interesting read. And that's it. So definitely 2 thumbs up. And I hope you try the product and I hope you like it. So this is my hair. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. I hope you hit the like button and I hope you share my video. Thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful day. Mwah.